Hi Doreen, your action is ready to bring back, and I thought I'd make a short video showing you some of the work I did. Now this is the action stack taken off the keyboard, showing the original faulty brackets. Here's one of them laying on the table with a close-up of some of the cracks where it expanded and caused everything to be out of adjustment. Okay, and here's another view of one that I haven't removed yet. See the cracks along the edge? And here's the new one, 3D printed on the right next to one of the original ones on the left. These 3D printed ones are very good quality. I'm really impressed with them. This is just another view of the action stack before I begin the process of putting on the new brackets. And that's the first one that I removed. And here are all the brackets replaced, but that's the easy part. Now begins the adjustment or regulation of the action, which takes 90% of the time. And there's another one there on the end showing the new one. But before I started the regulation, I lubricated these knuckles, these yellow things. You see, they're made of leather. They're very dry, so I put a special silicone lubricant powder on there, which will make them very smooth, and the touch will be very nice. Here's just a picture of one of the tools and measuring devices I use to do the next part, which is the time-consuming part, and that's to adjust all of the notes to operate properly according to factory specifications. And right here I've got a simulation of the string height in the keyboard, and I'm adjusting all the notes to strike at the proper point. That's just one of many adjustments, but I thought I'd show you just a couple of things that I do involved in this process, so you'll get some idea of what was going on. Now when I bring it back tomorrow, I'll put the action back in, and then I'll do the triple tuning to get it on concert pitch and sounding really good for you. So that's about it. I thought I'd just give you an idea of what was going on. See you tomorrow.